All right, so let's say we want to 3D print this file. So we're gonna go over here to File. We go to Export, and by default you will have something else. I think by default you will have um out of this Fusion archive, but look for the one that says STL. This is the one that we need. So you click there, it's gonna download to your computer, and you just click Export. In this case, mine already did it, so press gesture, replace it, and I will look for that file on my computer, and I'll save that file like in a memory card, and that's the one I'm gonna take to the 3D printer. I need to take a look at to a slicer software, and then to the 3D printer. So we'll do that in a different video. For this one, in case you are saving it in the web version, um, if you go here to Fusion and you go to Fusion out of this Fusion team, click on this link. Once you click it, and if you're still logged in, it's gonna take you to your account, right? And it's gonna show you all the price that you have. In this case, I think I saved mine here yesterday, like in a different software, a different folder. So you can see my option is here. This is this one online. So this is known close practice. This is a different one that I made, but you can see it's here the STL version. If you're in the web version, you can just download this one, and then once again, this one just downloads to your computer as well, in case you're doing it in the web browser and not in your own device. And with that, we just have to once again take it to a slicer software and then just 3D print. But I think we're gonna help you guys with that thing. If you already know how to do 3D printing, that's great. You know what to do from next. If you are not familiar, don't worry. We'll have people there to help you out how to do the slicer and how to print. So that's it on the 3D printing.